what type of results can really be achieved? Well, I've already shared some with you. So as of today, I am 6 months from starting my store, and in month 5, I basically broke the 100K month. Gone on and grown again by another 24%. So this month is really good. We are now doing over 1,000 orders a month, which is crazy. The big question a lot of people might ask is, well, how profitable is it? Let me share some really important stats. Right, CPA, cost to acquire a customer on average, $17. My monthly average AOV is 130. That means it's costing me $17 to get a $130 sale. And my 6-month LTV, because now I have 6 months of data to look at, my LTV on average per customer is $617 from every single customer on average. Crazy.